treat them like a hubby, I just treat them like a plot. Bitch, I don't give a fuck, about a nigga cause I ain't worried about a nigga just a fuck. You can give me everything, still I'll never be enough. I don't give a fuck, about a nigga cause a nigga just a no nigga special, all these niggas getting done. Niggas good cause these niggas wanna fuck. I ain't never been here before. I'm so excited to be here. I know y'all love me a little bit down here. She told me she loved me from the old to the new. I love that. Y'all love me from the old to the new too. I just want to say, I start my tour tomorrow. And I started my first 2 days, so I'm excited. I'm kicking it off with y'all, all the birthday girls in the bed, bitches. Y'all looking good out here too. Bring that next one, DJ. Say like a bitch with a whole shit. I ain't never been a broke bitch, I've been having motion. My stars be toasting, I've been on some 3 or 4 shit. My head slow, sloppy, shaking, leaking. You get low, gotta take it easy, cause she's soaking, freaky, deaky. Got that no presents in the car to pick me up. Girl, why the nigga flew me proud? I thought he took me shot, the next thing you know, we was I broke my neck like winter. I'm rich like I'm a Jenner. And if you see us out, no, he is not my nigga. He said do it for the kids. No, he is not my nigga. I'm on the top when he going in that heat. No, he is not my nigga. He said for the kids. No, he is not my nigga. For the ball, play do it for the kids. Nigga, I wanna hear this bitch lie. I never heard a rich nigga say the car lie. I ain't paid you to run or you sit them out. Hey, it's in the feelings you sitting out. Real freak, you can eat through the fancy. You can do that, Bobby, hey. I do my every that you do it right. I do things like it's out of my city. And you know I'm an actor. When that motherfucker stack up, only thing I'm in is the beers of the black truck. I got the bitches whippers when you giving like love. Bitch, me, where you running with the back up? Now I heard his pride when I did some. Let him drown in his tears in a tissue. Let him see I'm a bad little issue. All I'm picking up on her. Oh, stop me shaking, leaky. Getting loud, gotta take it easy. Cause she's soaking, freaky, deaky. Got they know how I beat me. Stand with a bitch, said do it for the kids. No, he is not my nigga. I'm on the car when he done it ain't his. No, he is not my nigga. No, he is not my nigga. Do it for the boss, do it for the bitch. No, he is not my nigga. I said, I don't need that nigga in my phone that's cheap. I don't even like to talk for free. Tell me what I need on a flight overseas that'll get a nigga fucked to sleep. Fucking no nigga staying with his baby mama, only calling your phone when his family sleep. We ain't fucking no nigga that be talking like bitches when they mad. Them kind of niggas weird to me. I'm representing for the real bitches. We ain't doing no bill splitting. That shit for the weak bitches. I make music for the P bitches and the street bitches, not the ones that be sneak bitches. Too pussy happy. Stop sending me DMs back to back, baby. Cash out me. Might be my next big daddy. Alright, this is my favorite shit right here, DJ. Run out. This your shit. We got key in this motherfucker. Too much designer, I can't kick it, ain't no kickback. Why you niggas act like Shorty gotta match it. Fuck that, just let me have it. Used to fucking bitches that be asking. I'm a nigga first, baby. Bitches watch my every move like a PI. But they big, but they tiny as T.I. All the ladies thought they calling me high. That's really a movie, I ain't talking shit. I don't need a nigga shit. I just want a nigga shit. If a nigga waste my time, he gotta spend a little bit. Hey, a nigga flash your money, he gotta spend a little bit. I don't care how much you got, you gon' send a little bit. I told her how I love you, and I'm so in love with it. Shipping like that nigga Mr. Black. I clean up like you ready. Niggas used to fucking with any ran into a total package. Used to fucking bitches that ain't had shit. I'm that nigga first, baby. Stones gotta match it. Fuck that, just let me have it. Used to fucking bitches that be asking. I'm that nigga first, baby. I like to say that I make bad bitch music.